Checking out this Heisr 3-sided wraparound electric toothbrush. All right, friends, well, it's been a while and I've been using this regularly now and I'm just really impressed with it. I'd never seen a 3-part toothbrush like this where it brushes basically your whole tooth with one pass instead of having to brush on the inside and the outside and the top. This just handles it. Also, I like that you don't have to use force. You're not using your whole arm to brush your teeth, which can cause your gums to recede and everything you're brushing too hard. This, you basically just put it on your teeth and you let the toothbrush do all the work, so it's really nice. It has 30-second intervals. It's gonna let you know, hey, if you're brushing this for a while and then 30 seconds later, it's gonna tell you move to a different quadrant. So after 2 minutes, it shuts off. So you could do the left side bottom, then after 30 seconds, give you a little notification. You do right side bottom, top side left, top side right, and you're done. So cuts down your toothbrushing time. It has nice soft food grade material here. The bristles are very soft too, they're not hard, so it's gonna massage your gums and your teeth. And with this, it's gonna be able to get in there. It's got this sonic vibration basically that gets in between everything, breaks up the plaque, and just does an excellent job of brushing. I'm just really impressed with it. If you have kids that don't necessarily like brushing their teeth, this is going to be more of a fun way for them to do it, and it's going to be probably more efficient, less damaging for their gums, and also do a better job, and it quicker too, since it covers the whole tooth at that one pass basically. So I'm really impressed with this, guys. I like it a lot. The battery seems to last a long time. It's got really good power. It's not too loud. It's super easy to use. The head just turns effortlessly. I even was a little skeptical. I thought, well, maybe this thing doesn't look that strong. You know, I thought maybe it's gonna get damaged or something when I'm brushing. But because you're not like aggressively brushing anything, you're basically just putting on your teeth and just kind of guiding it around and letting the toothbrush do the work. So, I mean, yeah, no issues with it at all. I'm really impressed with it. I really actually like the way the charging station looks when you put it on there. It looks all futuristic, looks pretty cool too. So just a great toothbrush, my friends. Another nice addition to your tooth cleaning routine. Let's get a little instruction manual. Very nice presentation there. Docking station, that's cool. It's very nice. It's got 3 different modes, power on, off, and then like clean white and massage mode there. All right, cool. Yes, that just goes into there. And it looks like it charges wirelessly. Pretty futuristic looking little container there. That's pretty sweet. So there it is. It's just gonna surround, you know, you can see it's got the bristles there, both sides and the top. It's nice and soft bristles too. So this little cover on there. This kind of has little magnets on there and it just sticks on there. And we can see in here that it is charging. That's pretty cool. Looks like it's fully charged. All right, so in order to put these on there, what you want to do is just basically line up the front of the toothbrush with the front of the, have the bristles aligned toward the front. And so once that's on there, you just kind of gently press down. It should just kind of go in there. There's going to be a little bit of a gap right there, and then you're good. I just want to try this out real quick here. So we have power, and then on, off. Wow, that sounds pretty powerful. Got the 3 different modes there of that, and then also white and massage. So different kinds there. And then power, just press it once. So very easy to use. Power turns it on. It has 3 different amounts of vibration, I guess. And then you can change it from clean to white to massage, and the 3 different intensities there. So this little head here, you can see that just switches over. And oh wow, quite a bit of like water displacement there. You can see it's just vibrating back and forth really fast here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool, guys. So I was gonna say, wow, that seems a little bit close together for teeth, but look, so straight on your, or like the front teeth here, it's going to be close together. You're just going to use like a normal toothbrush like this, but look at that. But when you rotate it sideways, look at that. So it increases the gap to match and conform with your teeth. So very cool. I'm just going to give this a quick test here. Let's do the front teeth here. Wow. And basically the toothbrush does all the work. You don't have to do scrubbing or anything like that, which is very nice. A lot of like extra pressure or scrubbing can tend to recede the gums and things like that. So I like this. I wonder if I can just turn it while it's in right there. Okay, yeah, so I don't even have to basically it just follows your tooth line while you're doing that, and it turns. This is pretty easy to turn, and it just, first impression here, guys, I'm gonna do a couple days of brushing my teeth with this. Really like that. I mean, it just feels like it's really maximizing like all the intensity there around the teeth. It feels like it's getting in between the crevices. Very high vibration rate. I'll be testing this out for the next few days, and then we'll come back, give you guys my final thoughts on this. But initially, this thing seems really cool. I like the little docking station. Looks very futuristic. Looks pretty sweet, actually. Pretty impressed with it so far. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this review. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.